We are slowly developing the product and trying to put together the attractions of this country. And also developing accommodation, which has been a challenge for a long time because we did not have investors wanting to take a risk in investing in the country. But now the picture is changing. There are more people coming in to invest in hotels, including our own people, Lesotho, who have realized that tourism has the potential and therefore are investing their money in tourism. Apart from that, we have a small bed and breakfast. One can mention the Black Swan, which is one of the most beautiful bed and breakfasts you can find here around Maseru if you don't want to stay in the big hotels. Lesotho has a lot of attractions, like skiing, for instance, which for sub-Saharan Africa is quite unique. People do not realize that Lesotho has 4 distinct seasons. But when Europe has their summer, we have our winter here. Therefore, we have now discovered that we can market skiing as one of the main attractions. Another issue is pony trekking. Pony trekking is one of our main attractions, and it has been for a long time. Pony was a Lesotho's 4x4 vehicle for a long time because our ponies could traverse the breadth and length of this country. They are sure-footed and they will take you where you want to go. But now we feel that we can also share our vehicle with the tourists for them to marvel and enjoy the beauty of this country from horseback. The beauty of the mountains. Whenever I travel anywhere in the world, if I don't see a mountain, then I feel lost because I long for our mountainous kingdom. That's what makes us unique, the mountain kingdom, or the kingdom nearest to heaven. That's what makes us what we are.
Lesotho, real people, real mountains, real culture.
Whether it's the Tshehlangane National Park or one of the displays at the TY Handicrafts, there is something for everybody. Catch us, the Discover Lesotho team, on Facebook for more of our journey. And once again, from Mapule, is Khotso Pula Nala.